Alright, it's Rated Mechanic back, man. And my bad, I ain't keeping my word. And basically, I didn't take y'all to go pick up the engine with me, but I got the engine right here. Yeah, I got the engine. This is just a recap, though. I'm gonna throw footages that I could throw in there. Maybe y'all miss me on some stuff. So far, I got the whole front end off the car. It's just I don't got a tripod, and I'm gonna try to get one. I got the radiator off. I'm gonna try to get one so I can start recording more stuff. But so far, this how we looking. Yeah, got the whole front end off. I just had problems with this, with the wiring harness. And which plug was it? It was a small plug. Basically, it was attached to the car, like, basically, like, where is it? How can I say? Basically, hold on, wait, this one. It was this cable. I don't know if y'all can see. Can't do it with one hand, but it's a little gray cable. It slide in and out. And it was, like, attached like this. And, you know, the motor got to get pulled out, but you can't pull a wire that's attached. So, basically, in this one, let me see if I can do it one hand. No, I can't do it, but let me see. Let me set the light up. Let me get the flathead screwdriver. Let me see. So, right there. Did I pop it out? I hope so. So it was this way. You pop it out like that, but you probably wondering, like, how can I get it out with this on there? Because it don't go out far enough. Because when I pushed on this tab here with like a push pin, I pushed on that tab there, slid the cable out. It was stuck right there, so I was wondering, like, okay, it's a lock there. So what I did, I used a tool like this. I used this tool, and basically, I put it there. Push that like all the way out. Did the other side, the other tab, pushed it all the way out. The bracket came all the way off, and the wire came all the way out. So that's how I'm looking so far with that. Got the ECU all out and safe. Yeah, I got the ECU safe. It's there. Having issues with like the exhaust bolts. They've been snapping on me. Like, it's all good. Yeah, I got the coil packs. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's just for me to remember in the order of this the front of the motor. I took them out. I took them out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm gonna just use those same coil packs as well. But they not bad. I'll show you again, they not bad at all. I expected them. I really don't know, like, or if these ones are bad though. The metal ones. They are kind of oiled up, but these first two aren't. But yeah, that's how we looking so far. From what I can see, I think the wiring harness is like fully disconnected, like from the car. I put these wires over, you know. Let's see, I gotta get the lighting right for y'all. I'm making progress. I get these wires over. There's nothing left connected to the car on the left side of the car. Actually, so what's left on here, I was looking, I already took this ground strap out. Yeah, I took this one out. Took the starter out. Started both off. Took the plug out. You want to be careful because these like pop up and then you just slide it right out. That's what I kind of liked about these cars though. Yeah, the other ground strap was over here. I'm trying to find it. Can't be too far. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find this ground strap, that ground wire. Then I took this AC line off right here. I'm gonna disconnect the AC line. I actually didn't do it yet, but you'll wanna remove it from this line as well. There's like a little bracket here. Two of them, one up top, one at the bottom. I'm assuming you just pop that out, slide it over to the right, it come right out. I gotta remove this wire, this hose too. Gotta get a new hose because this one basically snapped on me. It ain't nothing but a hose though, vacuum hose. Yeah, that's where I'm at so far with it. Got the whole wire harness away from the car. Oh yeah. Let me make sure. This goes, I gotta put that back where it goes. That goes back right there. Yep, just like that. Yeah, but so far, literally got everything unplugged. Gotta unplug the power steering hose line, disconnect that from the car, cause that goes to the rack. You wanna disconnect your fuel line. And right now, that's about it. I can verify to y'all though that good enough. Okay. I'm gonna use the torque wrench. I'm gonna use the torque wrench so y'all can see that. This motor is definitely seized though. That's torquing it. Definitely seized. Let me see if I can loosen it. You can see it go over. It go over for sure to the lefty. Turn it back right. Oh yeah, it's locked. It stopped right there. Definitely seized though. Torque wrench back there. Yeah, we got the motor here. Front end. We got the hoist. Got the hoist too. I took the hood off this morning. We took the hood off. Got that took off. Fuck. Yeah. Yes, still taken care of though. Oh, another thing. I got these axles. The axles that go inside the engine. I need to figure out how to take those out. This motor still got the axles on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this one up. Okay, that's kind of oily. So what I'm gonna do is, let me see something. Got the flathead because I see it, an opportunity. So I'm gonna put that there. Where can I set y'all up there? So y'all can see me. I'm gonna show you. Let me see if I can do it. What I'm thinking is just unbolt it. One bolt, two bolts. I'm sure it's more on the other side. Cause I don't know. I could just get that axle out. Get that axle out and then unscrew this drive. This thing, drive shaft thing. Yeah, I'm gonna say a part of a drive shaft. And then, cause right now, kinda stuck, I'm not gonna lie. Kinda stuck. But besides that, I got that out the way. I just got that done. There. Hear me out though. It's definitely separated from the car. Definitely. About the price, no. Just trying to make sure I'm not missing nothing. Oh, and it's a ground wire under the car, positive, that I'm gonna have to go and get. Definitely. Got that ground wire. I don't know if you can tell, but not this, but that one. Disconnected. Yeah. And I don't know if you could tell, but that's the same axle that I was just messing with on the newer engine. But I can't get it out. I can't get it out. Yeah, I'm gonna do some research on y'all on that. But this part two, we got the motor. It's gonna be, I'm trying to really get that motor pulled out because right now it's a job. I got the passenger side of the car cleaned up, and I got, like I said, I got the passenger side cleaned up. What else? It's just this now. This fuck with me. Yeah, it's just this side now. I'm pretty sure we good though. I'm pretty sure we good. Worst come worst, I'm gonna have to just go get an axle puller too, cause I'm not strong enough to do that shit. I ain't gonna lie. Pick up this cover. Put this cover down, cause we know we there. But at first, I didn't get it on camera, but at first, before I leave, I had unbolted all 4 of those bolts that you could see back there. I pulled out the whole.
I can't jump inside that car unless it's in the fire. Yeah, I lost my best friend, can't leave without my fire. Keep my shit out, no, it ain't took it. My gun stay by my own. Like, come and take a ride with me. You a down the rider. Say you all for me, but you chill like you a damn liar. He put bro name in the song and got hit with fire. Already hot, but roll some more, cause I need to get higher. Knew I die, we roll them up. Or I just pour them in my cup. Get my little bitch, I think she asked for bustin' right, she don't get enough. Feel like I done found the one, but I can't lie, I still can't trust. Turn her around, put it inside. Gotta pull out soon as I bust.